think we're going to be able to relive it again.
Well, we have an hour.
Whoa! What a wacky ride!
Welcome back. When the ride comes to a complete stop, please exit to your right
Push up
and
on your
walk
seats
down the
and they'll
ramp.
open. Push up on
Thank you for riding Oscar's Wacky Taxi and enjoy the rest of your day at Sesame Place.
My favorite part of the day, when I get to say to you, beat it! Get lost! Scram!
Please be careful while walking down the ramp.
You don't have any loose. We're good. Never mind.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Making sure my
welcome
stuff is
to
locked.
Oscar's Wacky Taxi. Please keep your hands and arms inside the car at all times. Remain in your seats, secure
Thanks.
all loose articles, and enjoy your ride.
Yeah, but don't enjoy it too much. We want you to scram as soon as it's over. Hehe.
Taxi rain ride.
Really?
You guys are all keeping this special joy ride.
Here we go. This thing had a 45-minute wait earlier. Now it's nothing. Wonderful.
We watched Deadpool.
It's still
for an hour and a
raining
half.
though. Oh, yeah, let's go. The taxi!
That's pretty good in the rain.
And it's better back, so let's
You have
go.
to wait a little bit though. It's okay.
Oh, this thing's running so good.
What a wacky ride!
Welcome back.
It's almost like Good Friday.
When the ride comes to a complete stop, please exit to your right and walk down the ramp. Thank you for riding Oscar's Wacky Taxi and enjoy the rest of your day